This is your Tuesday 2-minute tech tip brought to you by Circuit Secrets. In this video, we're going to talk about debugging runtime errors on ESP32 and Arduino development boards. The most difficult part about programming is debugging, and the most difficult bugs in your program to find are runtime errors. These errors do not throw any compiler errors. Everything builds and uploads as it should, but the results are not as expected. If you are running development boards with integrated programmers like Arduino or ESP32 boards, you probably have no hardware debugger for examining the registers. So how do you see what is going on inside the board in your program? You have to tell the program to tell you what is happening. The easiest way for an Arduino or ESP32 development board to tell you what is going on is with the Serial.println function. You can call Serial.println from anywhere in your program once you have enabled the serial communications in your setup function. Inside the Arduino IDE, this is how you use serial communications to debug runtime errors. Step 1. In the sketch you want to debug, enable serial communications with a call to Serial.begin and set your baud rate in the setup function. Step 2. Call the Serial.println function anywhere you want to look in your program. You can pass Serial.println a variable so you can read its value, or you can pass a string to tell you the program is operating in a certain part of the code, such as a loop or function. Step 3. Compile and upload the program to your board. Step 4. Open the serial monitor and ensure the baud rate is set to the same value as you set in the baud rate in Serial.begin. Step 5. Use the information to find the problem. If a piece of code is not being reached, a value is not being incremented, or a loop never exits, you will be able to tell with a few properly thought out, simple serial calls. I hope this video has helped you to understand the basics of serial debugging. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.